Hi guys, in today's video we have a AGM PAD T2, an entry-level Android tablet designed to offer a blend of functionality and performance in affordable price point. Known for its rugged smartphones and outdoor-oriented devices, AGM has shifted its focus with the PAD T2, go for the more conventional, sleek design while maintaining the brand's durability character. In this detailed review, we'll walk you through the tablet's unboxing, build quality, performance, display, battery life and more to help you decide if the AGM PAD T2 right choice for you. The AGM PAD T2 comes packed in a eye-catching yellow box packaging which stands out from the crowd. Inside you will find, of course, the tablet itself, additional tempered glass that you can install on the tablet for additional screen protection. The rest of the package includes a SIM card tool for inserting the SIM cards or microSD card, 80-watt fast charger, USB-C charging cable, some AGM stickers and instructions. While the contents of the fairly standard for a budget tablet, it's nice to see the inclusion of the protective glass, which is a thoughtfully touch from the AGM. In terms of design, the PAD T2 delivers a solid and premium feel with the aluminum casing, giving a high quality look and durability. The matte space gray finish is sleek and doesn't show fingerprints easily, which is a great thing. The tablet's dimensions are really pleasant, with a thickness of only 7.45mm and a weight around 502 grams, which makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. On the right side there is a volume button and a power button. Here on this side we have a speaker grills and the same ones on the opposite side, resulting in a total of 2 speakers that provide excellent stereo sound on this tablet. There is also USB-C charging port as well as a SIM card tray. You can either use 2 nano SIM cards in a dual SIM slot or the microSD card together with the nano SIM card. From the front, one thing worth mentioning is the moderate bezel size around the 11-inch display that contributes to a solid, eye-pleasing look, so the overall feel of the tablet in hand is really positive and comfortable. In the frame we can see the lens of the 8-megapixel front camera positioned in the middle, which can do an excellent job for occasional selfies and video calls with ease. The AGM PAD T2 features an 11-inch FHD Plus display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels with a brightness of up to 500 nits. This display is bright enough to be used comfortably even in outdoor settings, making it suitable for users who need a tablet that can handle direct sunlight. Whether you are watching movies or browsing the web, the display offers vibrant visuals, making it an excellent choice for media consumption. Additionally, the tablet supports Widevine L1 certification, which ensures that users can stream HD content from platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime and Disney Plus in full resolution. This is a significant advantage for those who enjoy binge-watching shows or movies on the go. Smooth playback on YouTube content was an exceptional experience. Videos can be comfortably enjoyed at up to 1080 pixel resolution without encountering any disruptions or lag. Whether it's watching movies or playing games, the tablet offers a generally enjoyable experience. On the back we find 2 square windows. In one we find a 30-megapixel main camera and in the other 2-megapixel macro lens for close-up shots together with the LED flash. The AGM PAD T2 is built to capture detailed images, a feature often lacking in this type of tablet. Whenever you are outdoors documenting a project, taking photos of nature, or capturing moment with friends, this camera provides a solid level of detail and the color accuracy in good lighting conditions. The camera can also record videos in 1080 pixel resolution at 60 fps. To get a feel from camera performance, it's best to check out few sample photos and videos we took using our PAD T2, so let's take a look. Under the hood, the AGM PAD T2 is powered by the MediaTek G91 octa-core processor in combination with the ARM Mali G52 GPU that should provide the power under the hood. Paired with the 4GB of RAM, which can be expanded by another 4GB using virtual RAM up to a total of 8GB of RAM, this makes for a smooth user experience when multitasking and handling moderate workloads. The tablet performs well for most everyday tasks such as web browsing, media consumption and light gaming. Tablet comes with a generous 256GB of internal storage, which is more than enough for most users. And if you need more space, it supports microSD cards expanded by storage up to 1TB, which is quite impressive for a tablet in this price range. The performance gets a boost from the latest Android 14 operating system, which brings advanced features like improved battery management, enhanced security and better app compatibility. Android 14 optimized the user experience with the smarter multitasking and personalized features, making the tablet adaptable for various user needs. With the pre-installed Google Play Store, users can seamlessly sync all the applications, ensuring a clean Android experience free of unnecessary bloatware or intrusive ads. Designed for exceptional user-friendliness, the tablet interface offers a smooth and intuitive experience for use, performing top-notch running tasks and apps smoothly without lag. Additionally, with the Bluetooth 5.0 4G LTE, users can enjoy seamless high-speed wireless connectivity for calls, browsing and streaming. The tablet works with the GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Beidou satellite position systems. Our review unit managed to detect a huge number of satellites from our 4 position systems with excellent accuracy of up to 2 meters. The PAD T2 is equipped with a large 8000 mAh battery, which provides excellent battery life. With its energy-efficient 60Hz display and the tablet's power management system, you can expect up to 8 hours of video playback on a single charge. In practice, with the regular usage such as browsing and streaming on YouTube with the Wi-Fi, the battery can last around 6 hours before needing a recharge. Charging is handled by USB-C port, and the tablet supports fast charging up to 18 volts, meaning you won't have to wait too long for a recharge. The AGM PAD T2 is an excellent choice for users seeking a budget-friendly tablet with a solid performance. A great display and impressive build quality. While it may not offer cutting-edge performance or premium features, it excels in areas like media consumption and battery life. With its robust build quality, long-lasting battery and solid performance for everyday tasks, the PAD T2 stands out as a practical device for those in the need for a reliable tablet, whether for studying, work or relaxation. At a really low price, the PAD T2 offers excellent value for money, especially considering its features and possibilities. Click the link below this video to secure your AGM PAD T2 today. That will be all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you soon with the next video review. Until then, bye.